Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to talk to you about credit restoration. The company I'm currently partnered with is called Chroma Credit. What makes credit repair attractive? I'll start with this. There are 34.2% of the US population that have a subprime credit score, meaning that their credit score is below 620. This accounts for over 100 million people. Everyone knows someone with a poor credit profile. This is a deeply fragmented market. So of course, there are lots of credit repair companies out there, but you have an option to choose which company best suits you. There's no one company that has more than 5% of the population. So you have options. The customer life cycle. The average life of a credit restoration customer is 8 to 9 months. Keep in mind, it takes years to damage a credit, but the repair with our company will only take 8 to 9 months. Who does bad credit impact? It impacts home buyers, car buyers, those that are in the military, people looking for apartments, even job seekers, and definitely students and parents. Did you know a recent study found that nearly 80% of all credit reports have major errors? How much is bad or inaccurate credit affecting you? How clients can benefit from my company? Well, we can help remove inaccurate, obsolete, and unverifiable items on your credit reports, including collections, late payments, charge-offs, liens, also some bankruptcies, repossessions, foreclosures, and judgments. Our suite of budgeting tools. We also have our auto loan calculator, debt payment calculator, mortgage tax savings calculator, and we also teach people how to snowball and avalanche their credit by using our repayment tool. Our auto loan calculator and all of our other calculators, all you have to do simply is input your information as far as the loan amount, interest, number of months you'll be paying on the item, submit it, and it will calculate everything for you. Here is also an example of our debt payment calculator with just inputting your information, and it does all of the work for you. Our mortgage tax savings calculator, again, you enter the loan amount, your interest rate, the number of months that you plan to pay off your home. It does all the work for you. So your results. Here are the results based on a marginal tax rate. As you can see, it explains the years, the beginning balance, how much you pay in interest, your payments, ending balance, and how much you'll save in taxes. Our snowball repayment tool. Now this is a repayment tool that focuses on paying off the lowest balance first. So whatever your lowest balance, our avalanche repayment tool. This is a method that focuses on paying off account balance with the highest interest rate. Again, it's the same concept. You input your items that you have a balance on, your interest rates, and it'll help you pay off those items based on which one has the highest interest rate to help you most effectively get your credit score up. The credit repair process, how it works. First, you sign up. It takes about 2 minutes to sign up for the credit repair program. From there, our company gets your credit reports. You can view all of this in the portal that you have once you sign up. And then once you are signed up, the dispute process starts automatically. There's nothing that you have to do in order to start the dispute process. You can actually log into your portal, view all of your negative items, and our company starts the process for you with making those disputes. After that, you get your results, and again, it is about an 8 to 9 month process. Some people can start to see results within the first month. Some people start to receive results within the first 2 months. Credit score components. Here is a diagram of what is directly affecting your FICO score. Here you can see that 30% of your amounts owed affects it, 10% is new credit, 15% is credit history, 10% is your credit mix, and 35% is your payment history. Letter of reference. Now this is a tool that most people did not know even existed. With Chroma Credit, if you're having a hard time getting a house, purchasing a car, getting an apartment, or even getting a job due to your negative credit, you can actually log into your portal, print out this already signed letter from Chroma Credit, sign it yourself, take it to the employer, take it to your real estate agent, car dealership, and this letter can actually help you make that purchase or get the job that you were trying to get, because it proves that you have already taken the steps to start working on getting your credit more in a positive. The user dashboard. From the dashboard, you can track your overall credit repair progress and view your current credit score. Now, keep in mind that our credit repair progress, the results show every 60 days. So every 60 days, you will see which items have been deleted, which items have been repaired. You can always view your negative items, and you can see the result and the difference in your credit score every 60 days. Also, in your portal, you can track your ongoing dispute progress. You can see which items are affecting you negatively. You can see which items we've helped you to delete. You can also see which items have been repaired and which items are showing positive on your credit report. The credit alerts. Inside your portal, you will see this screen here where it says score alert. It'll give you the date and your time. You will also receive alerts via text message as well as in your email. With our credit report, you can track the status of all existing credit accounts and inquiries. So you'll be able to see how your credit is affected with all three bureaus. Now, unfortunately, we do have some geographic exclusions. So our services are not available in Georgia, Kansas, Maine, Minnesota, Oregon, and South Carolina. So, you ask about pricing. This credit restoration program has a $100 setup fee that is only paid one time. After that, it is $89 a month retail price, but it is also free with 5 referrals. Refer 5 friends, refer 5 family members, and your Chroma credit restoration is free. Your friends and family also have the same option. If they refer 5, theirs will be free. If their 5 refer 5, then theirs will also be free. So $100 one time, $89 a month, free with 5 referrals. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation on my credit restoration, and I hope that you take the time to take a look at my website posted below and decide to go ahead and get started on fixing your credit.